Okay. Yes, my sister Grace. Yesterday we are solving a Cobb-Douglas. Q is equal to A K to power alpha L to power 1 minus alpha. And we are solving out the properties of the production function. We said one of the property is that the average physical product of labor and the average physical product of capital should be a function of capital labor ratio. We call it the small k. And then the marginal physical product of capital and marginal physical product of labor should also be a function of capital labor ratio. Now, the mistake we were doing yesterday, the capital, its elasticity will be left in the form of alpha minus 1. Alpha minus 1. And the one for labor will be left in the form of alpha. In the form of alpha. Okay. Let us first prove the one for average physical products. Now, we have said that the average physical product of labor and average physical product of capital should be a function of capital labor ratio. So, if we get output is equal to A K to power alpha L to power 1 minus alpha, to get the average physical product, we divide this output divided by L, which is we are on capital, which is equal to A K to power L L to power 1 minus 1 minus alpha divided by K. That is fine. So since our interest is to get the elasticity of capital to be in form of alpha minus 1, it's going to be A K to power alpha times K to power negative 1. If I divide this one downwards, this 1 minus alpha is going to become alpha minus 1. L to power alpha minus 1. Properties of indices, if the negative goes down, it becomes a positive. And if the positive goes down, it becomes a negative. I think that's fine. So this becomes the average physical product of capital, which is equal to this one. We add the powers, which is equal to A K to power alpha minus 1 divided by L to power L alpha minus 1. Now we can see that the elasticities are the same. We can pull them outside the bracket. We get A K to power over L into bracket alpha minus 1. Now, we are seeing that this is a function of capital labor ratio with the elasticity of alpha minus 1, which was our interest. So our average physical product of capital is equal to A, the small k, which represents the elasticity of the function of capital labor ratio, to power alpha minus 1. Yesterday we are forgetting this power, but it has to be there. So the average physical product of capital is equal to A, the technology and other factor inputs, times the K, which represents the capital labor ratio, to power the elasticity of alpha minus 1. Yeah, that is for average physical product of capital.